हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, बेटा अज असी न्यू टॉपिक स्टार्ट करांगे डिस्क्रीट प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशनस। डिस्क्रीट प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कोई रैंडम वेरीएबल है, डिस्क्रीट रैंडम वेरीएबल होएगा। उहदियां कुछ स्पैशल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशनस असी पढ़नियां ने, जिहदे विच सब तो पहला असी करांगे बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, let a random experiment be performed an independent number of times। कोई एक रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट आ जिन्हों कि असी n टाइम्स करना, इंडिपेंडेंट टाइम्स, ईच रेपिटेशन बीइंग कॉल्ड ट्रायल एंड let the occurrence of an event in any trial be called a success and its non-occurrence is a failure. If P is the probability success in any trial, in one trial, and Q is the probability of failure, then the probability of X successes in n trials, probability of X successes in n trials is equal to NCX P to the power X Q to the power n minus X, and its PDF is given by fx is equal to ncx p to the power x q to the power n minus x, where x is varying from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on up to n. Otherwise its value is 0. सो बेटा एक एक्सपेरीमेंट होएगा जिन्हों सी n टाइम्स परफॉर्म करना। जिवें फॉर एग्जांपल अगर असी गल करिए कि अगर तुसी एक कॉइन नू 10 टाइम्स टॉस करिए, ए कॉइन इज टॉस्ड 10 टाइम्स, किन्नी बार असी ट्राई कर रहे हैं, किन्नी बार एक्सपेरीमेंट कर रहे हैं, तो 10 टाइम्स अगर एक कॉइन नू असी टॉस कर रहे हैं तो n नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल, देन n इज इक्वल टू 10। p जिहड़ी होएगी दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस इन वन ट्रायल। असी 10 ट्रायल्स दे विच प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं फाइंड करनी, सक्सेस नहीं फाइंड करनी, असी जिहड़ी p फाइंड करनी आ that will be the probability of success in one trial, and Q will be the probability of failure। clearly अगर तुहाडे कोल p दी वैल्यू known आ, p पता, then p plus q is equal to 1। we know that p plus q is equal to 1, so q is equal to 1 minus p, so it means q is a function of p। so in this PDF we have only two parameters, one is n and other is p. One is n and other is p. So we have two parameters. So this function forms a PDF. Now we will show that how it makes a PDF. Clearly fx is greater than equal to 0 for all x, and this is the first condition। so अगर असी second condition दी गल करिए, summation x varying from 0 to n fx, so x varies from 0 to n ncx p to the power x q to the power n minus x। so अगर असी 1 by 1 वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए x दी, nc 0 p to the power 0 q to the power n nc1 p to the power 1 q to the power n minus 1 and so on up to ncn p to the power n q to the power 0 n minus n 0. So clearly using binomial theorem, so this is equal to p plus q to the power n. Because p plus q is equal to 1, always equal to 1, so therefore 1 to the power n which is equal to 1. So this function fx satisfies both the conditions of PDF, hence we can say that fx forms a PDF. So अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਕੋਇਨ ਨੂੰ ਟੌਸ ਕਰੀਏ 10 ਟਾਈਮਸ then n ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਹੋਗੀ 10. suppose we are to find, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਕੋਇਨ ਨੂੰ 10 ਟਾਈਮਸ ਟੌਸ ਕਰੀਏ ਤੇ 4 ਟਾਈਮਸ ਹੈਡ ਆਏ, head appears 4 times, then what will be the probability? So देखो इस क्वेश्चन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੈਡ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. probability of success ਕੀ ਆ? ਅਸੀਂ ਹੈਡ ਦੇ ਅਪੀਅਰ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵਾਰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ? that will be the ਤਾਂ x ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਹੋਗੀ 4 ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ 4 ਟਾਈਮ ਸਕਸੈਸ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ. लेकिन मेन थिंग इज जो प्रोबेबिलिटी ਅਸੀਂ फाइंड करनी आ, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ, ਉਹ 1 ਟਰਾਇਲ ਚ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ. ਤੇ ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ 1 ਟਰਾਇਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ 1 ਟਾਈਮ ਅਗਰ ਕੋਇਨ ਨੂੰ ਟੌਸ ਕਰੀਏ ਦੈਨ प्रोबेबिलिटी ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਸਕਸੈਸ ਦੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ 1/2 ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹੈਡ ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਇਨ ਟੌਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਫੇਰ ਕੋਇਨ ਆ ਦੈਨ ਹੈਡ ਆਉਣ ਦੀ प्रोबेबिलिटी ਕਿੰਨੀ ਆ 1/2 and clearly q is equal to 1 minus p, so q is equal to 1/2. so जो pdf ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਏਗੀ that is fx is equal to 10cx p to the power x q to the power n minus x and values of x is varying from 0 1 2 3 up to 10. discrete random variable आ. So in this way we will form the PDF. Now question जो required सी we are to find कि अगर असी 10 times coin throw करिए toss करिए then 4 times head appear होवे then वो दी probability. so जो requirement आ we need success four successes, we need 4 successes means we need 4 heads, so x will be equal to 4. so therefore we will find f of 4 which is equal to 10c 4 p to the power 4 and q to the power 10 minus 4. this will be the answer. So this is the probability if we need exactly 4 times head. So we will put small x is equal to 4. लेकिन sometime question ये भी आ जाता कि अगर असी coin नू 10 times throw करिए then head will appear at most 4 times. head will appear at most 4 times. so x will be less than equal to 4. maximum 4 times head आए. मे भी हो सकता कोई head ना होवे, 1 time head होवे, 2 times head, it may 3 times head may appear 4 times. so maximum head will appear 4 times. so probability of x less than equal to 4. So which is equal to probability at x is equal to 0 plus probability at x is equal to 1 plus probability at x is equal to 2 plus probability at x is equal to 3 plus probability at x is equal to 4. Means f of 0 plus f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4. So one by one we will put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So ਅਸੀਂ probability फिर बाद ਵਿੱਚ वैल्यू सारियां ऐड कर दांगे and we will get the required probability. And if in this question we are to find the probability for getting at least 8 heads, कि अगर असी 10 times coin toss करिए then at least head appears 8 times, घट्टो घट 8 times 8 times head appear होवे, means head may appear 8 times 9 times 10 times, maximum it can appear 10 times. बिकॉज असी 10 टाइम्स कॉइन थ्रो करना तो एक्स की वैल्यू जो मैक्सिमम होगी दैट विल बी n मीन्स 10. सो फॉर दैट इन दैट केस x विल बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 8 मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू 8, x इज इक्वल टू 9 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी एट x इज इक्वल टू 10 मीन्स f of 8 plus f of 9 plus f of 10. Now student ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਸੀ probability distribution ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ PDF ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ. Now ਕੁਝ important result. ਬੇਟਾ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ PDF ਇਹਦੇ ਕੁਝ important result ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਕੁਝ important properties ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਰਿਮੈਂਬਰ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਟਿਪਸ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਮੋਮੈਂਟ ਜਨਰੇਟਿੰਗ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਮੀਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਵੇਰੀਐਂਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. ਸੋ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਟ੍ਰਿਗਨੋਮੈਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਆਈਡੈਂਟੀਟੀਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹ ਯਾਦ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਹਨਾ, ਯਾਦ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ. ਸਿਮਿਲਰਲੀ ਬਾਈਨੋਮੀਅਲ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰੀਟ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਜ਼ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣੇ ਨੇ. Now first property is moment generating function of binomial distribution. Moment generating function of binomial distribution. Let x be a random variable, binomial variable, binomial random variable, and we are to find the moment generating function of x. So we know that it is given by expectation of e to the power tx, which is summation e to the power tx into fx. X is varying from 0 to n, which is equal to x varying from 0 to n e to the power tx. Fx is what? Ncx p to the power x q to the power n minus x, which can be written as Ncx p into e to the power t whole to the power x q to the power n minus x. Now one by one we will put the values of x. Nc0 p into e to the power t to the power 0 q to the power n. Nc1 p into e to the power t into q to the power n minus 1, and so on up to NCN P into e to the power t raised to the power n q to the power 0. So using binomial theorem, this is equal to q plus p into e to the power t raised to the power n. So therefore moment generating function of a random variable x is given by q plus p into e to the power t whole to the power n. So बेटा तुसी रिजल्ट याद भी रखना. Now next is mean and variance of binomial distribution. Mean means अगर असी अर्थमैटिक मीन की गल करिए, सो मीन इज μ1 डैश विच इज एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स and variance is mu2 which is equal to expectation of x minus mu whole square or expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So expectation of x and expectation of x square जिदा कि सानू पता कि अगर सानू मोमेंट जेनेरेटिव फंक्शन की अगर वैल्यू we know the moment generating function, then we can directly find mu1 dash mu2 dash by differentiating moment generating function. So firstly we will differentiate mt with respect to t partially. So curly m over curly t which is equal to n into q plus p into e to the power t to the power n minus 1 into p into e to the power t. Now put t is equal to 0, we will get mu1 dash. So n into q plus p whole to the power n minus 1 into p e to the power 0. So this is 1 to the power n minus 1 is 1, so n into p. So mean of the binomial distribution always equal to np. Now for variance, firstly we will evaluate mu2 dash, which can be evaluated by differentiating moment generative function 2 times with respect to t. Now we will differentiate curly m by curly t with respect to t. So curly 2m over curly t square. We will apply here product rule. So taking n into p common, now apply product rule. Consider this function as a first function and this will be the second function. Now first function as it is, derivative of second plus second as it is, derivative of first n minus 1 into q plus p into e to the power t to the power n minus 2 into p into e to the power t. Now we will put t is equal to 0 and we will get the value of mu2 dash. Now put t is equal to 0. So mu2 dash is equal to np. This will be equal to 1 e to the power 0 1 plus 1 n minus 1 into 1 into p. So this is equal to np plus n into n minus 1 into p square. Now for variance, mu2 which is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Mu2 dash np plus n square p square minus np square. This is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. तो अगर mu1 dash square की गल करिए that is n square p square. So cancel this factor n square p square. We will get np minus np square. So taking np common, we will get np into 1 minus p, and 1 minus p is equal to q. So therefore this is equal to np into q. So variance of binomial distribution is equal to npq. So if we will talk about standard deviation, so standard deviation is always equal to square root of variance. So therefore standard deviation of binomial distribution is equal to square root of npq. So in this way we can find the mean and the variance of binomial distribution. And students, you are to remember these results. Now we will do next property, mod of binomial distribution. Now binomial distribution is bimodal or unimodal according as n plus 1 into p is an integer or non-integer. Means distribution is bimodal if n plus 1 into p is integer, and unimodal if n plus 1 into p is non-integer. Now we are to find the mod of binomial distribution. Now student, अगर असी mod की गल करिए, mod is that value of x which gives us the highest frequency, means which gives the maximum, the highest fx. So if this is the value of x, and clearly this will be the value of fx. If x is mod, this will be the value of x. If this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, then this will be the value of x and this will be the value of fx. If x is the mod, then fx will be the maximum value, maximum. So if this is x, say this will be the x minus 1 and this will be the x plus 1. So clearly if x is the mod, then fx will be greater than f of x minus 1 and fx will be greater than f of x plus 1. This is the value of f of x plus 1. If x is the mod, then fx will be the maximum value. Clearly fx will be greater than f of x minus 1. This is fx. This is greater than fx minus 1. Also fx will be greater than f of x plus 1. Now we will solve this inequality. From this, fx divided by fx minus 1 greater than equal to 1, or we can say that greater than 1. NCX P to the power x Q to the power n minus x divided by NCX minus 1 P to the power x minus 1 Q to the power n minus x plus 1 is greater than equal to 1. So we will get, after solving it, we will get n minus x plus 1 into p divided by x into q, which is clearly greater than equal to 1. So np minus px plus p greater than equal to xq. Q can be written as 1 minus p. So np minus px plus p greater than equal to x minus px, cancel px. So x np plus p greater than equal to x means x is less than equal to n plus 1 into p. From this inequality we will get x is less than equal to n plus 1 into p. Now we will solve this inequality. Fx over fx plus 1 is greater than equal to 1. NCX p to the power x q to the power n minus x divided by NCX plus 1 p to the power x plus 1 q to the power n minus x minus 1 will be greater than equal to 1. After simplifying, we will get x plus 1 into q divided by n minus x into p is greater than equal to 1. So xq plus q is greater than equal to np minus xp. So taking xp into the left hand side, xp plus xq is greater than equal to np minus q. So taking x common, p plus q greater than equal to np minus 1 minus p. P plus q is equal to 1, so x is greater than equal to p into n plus 1. Sorry, this is minus q, so this will be the minus 1 plus p. So n plus 1 minus 1. From these two inequalities, if we conclude these two, we will get n plus 1 into p minus 1 is less than equal to x less than equal to n plus 1 into p. Now, because x is discrete random variable, so जेडी x की value होगी that will be the natural number. It will be the positive integer. It cannot be, x cannot be non-integer. Now we will discuss the cases. First case, if n plus 1 into p is non-integer. If it is non-integer, this is non-integer. For example, student, this is 4 by 3. N plus 1 into p is 4 by 3. Then this will be 4 by 3 and this will be the 1 by 3. It means x lies between 1 by 3 and 4/3. 1/3 means 0.3 and 4/3 means 1.3. So x की वैल्यू की होएगी 1 होएगी. So value of x is equal to 1 means it will be the greatest integer of 4/3 because अगर ਅਸੀਂ 4/3 ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ 1.33. So अगर 1.33 the greatest integer consider करिए that will be equal to 1. So if n plus 1 into p is non-integer then x will be equal to greatest integer or integral part of n plus 1 into p. And second is if n plus 1 into p is integer, if it is integer then value of x integer, for example it is 4, then x is less than equal to 4 and greater than equal to 3. In that case mod is given by, then the distribution will be the bimodal and mod will be given by n plus 1 into p minus 1 and n plus 1 into p. So if n plus 1 into p is integer then the distribution is bimodal and mods are n plus value of mod n plus 1 into p minus 1 and n plus 1 into p. So in this way we will find the mod of the distribution. So beta next video ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ related कुछ questions ਕਰਾਂਗੇ and some important properties of the distribution. Thank you.